comment say I resemble you. I don't know how to take resemble this Jezebel. I don't know how to take resemble this woman. I know they smoke Igbo. Somebody when they say start to smoke when you go prison for Holland. Now there you go learn how to smoke Igbo. You can't come, they say na Eliab teach Igbo. Eliab led you into it. Igbo where you don't they smoke even before them bomb me, madam. If you not see where this woman they smoke Igbo, you go fear say a woman being with this. Now they make us if you smoke Igbo finish, come out. You know they know what you need they talk. Mabel, Roland, Waynes, Mabel, Cobard, Mabel Cobard, and Mabel Onyema. See, I've been waiting, I've been expecting to see your reply or to watch your reply about the rubber prick. I didn't see any reply. That one by the way, I'm coming to that side. That's this thing I'm coming to. I don't want to mention them again. Now like this, I go there. If I just give signal like this, wave in my hand. When I don't understand what I try to. That is what be shirigike. I warned you about this saga part 2. I warned you, say this saga no go easy. Say make you keep quiet. When a young guy they sleep, trouble they go wake up. Earlier be on your own, you begin to make videos. Say earlier, come outside, oh, come outside with your girlfriend. Come outside, Juliana Osifo, come outside. This one, come outside. I was on my own. Esther, come outside. Earlier, carry your girlfriend. Esther, come out. I was on my own. Did I say anything? No. Why I'm saying this is because of all these people justifying the comment section. As you guys are self-centered. I promise not to shout. Esther, calm down, calm down. You guys are self-centered human beings. Una day when they shout earlier, come outside. Esther, come outside. Did I mention this woman's name? I was on my own, minding my business, facing my prick. Because nothing was I've been only bola. I was minding my business. This woman come they drag me and Eliab. Now, since today now, madam, come and tell us how did you construct that bola? Because me, I don't find that size and no see. How did you construct it? No, nobody. I try to understand nobody. How did you construct this? How did you? They measure the bekus. Do one for you, Abi. How you take collect Amazon? They do that kind of size. I dey expect me come deny. You go there, may come defend yourself. No comments. No, if there's no comment, we can move to another one because there are so many evidence. Evidence choke. And they wait for one after the other. We no one rush am. We just want me there. If we do, if we see your reply, through your reply, we'll follow you. Through your reply, anyone where you carry come, we dey come with evidence. Wetin make us bring out this bola now? Now you say you don't get time for man. That you've been on your own, you know they use man do anything. Say you know be Madam Bola. You say na me like Bola. Say they send you video where they knock me. Bring the video out. Na me like Bola, na me be chair lady of Bola. I carry Bola for my head. No problem. The fact be say you dey deny am. Now they vex me. My own, I dey do my own, I know they deny am. For your own, you dey do and they deny am. Why are you denying it? If not be this agadaga, we will see. How I want take believe. Say you carry Bola for head. Upon side they talk and you they deny. Now me and you who be Bola Lizzie. Only you, how many husband? Williams, Roland, William Abi Wings, Cobard, Onyema, only you. Now only you get bekus. Amoro ge mo amu, eji amu pogo ono. Ohoro amu kwere onwu. Nwaanyi amu na erubere isu. Nwaanyi ji to paint your black and blue. We carry bekus paint the whole world. Make I interpret am. I'm still waiting for you. You've not said anything. You dey send that achikate ekwono make you dey post earlier mama picture. See, if you don't stop talking about this woman, I will never stop insulting you till this world end. Even if Eliab asks me to stop, I will not stop. If you don't stop insulting that woman, because I know that she did nothing to you, that woman happens to be the best. He happens to be the best mother-in-law among all the mother-in-law, among all the husbands so you don't marry. Now you come out online, you will not even know say you don't marry plenty husband. Now you come out online say among all the husbands, because this one na prula, you know, this one na how do they call themselves? Vibe prulesis. Now they go add an es. Now then, this your husband and they supposed to add an es. That is husband sis. Your husband sis say now earlier mama na be the best. Which be say so among all the husband now the fourth one. Okay, let's assume say you can't later turn back now say the woman a bad person. Or yeah, we go see how the 51 will be. Abi, when are we welcoming the 50th? See somebody they bring mouth for me. I go do pass you. Me, I go marry 6 husband. You there 5 now. You feel say you don't pass me, Abi. You feel say you get level pass because you dey enter your 5th husband now. No worry. No worry. I dare you, no worry. Me go marry 10. Yes, now. You know, like now I'm your mini. Somebody comment say I resemble you. I don't know how to take resemble this Jezebel. I don't know how to take resemble this woman. I know they smoke Igbo. Oh, yeah, nata. Somebody when they say start to smoke when you go prison for Holland. Now there you go learn how to smoke Igbo. You can't come, they say na earlier teach Igbo. Earlier led you into it. Igbo where you don't they smoke even before them bomb me, madam. If you not see where this woman they smoke Igbo, you go fear say a woman being with this. Now they make us if you smoke Igbo finish, come out. You know they know what you need they talk. Igbo woman they call person never ever test Igbo bia. If I dey smoke Igbo, go and check people that knows me very well. I don't hide my thing. I will come out and say it. I can take every other thing. Anybody with wetin they like, right from day one, I don't like it. I despise it. I don't like it. That is why I don't do it. Not like it's forbidden, but stop preferring it to me than the one smoking because you the chopper. Me, I know I've never tested Igbo in my life before. Your brain go turn, you know they know what they do again. You go come, they talk rubbish, begin carry like mama put for your head. That continue to the rest of your life because you deserve you as you dey like this. You don't deserve one single respect from me. You are a disgrace to womanhood. I will keep on insulting you till the day when you go leave social media. You say fresh. I go insult you till you enter house. I never see your reply. Who asked you? That reminds me. Who asked you whether you fine or not? Is that the video your followers are expecting from you? Is that the video you made? Now the video what they expect to watch? We they expect to see you can't explain. Because this one now come with evidence. As you guys can saw, her number is displaying there. So she cannot deny it. She cannot deny say no be in this thing be that. We're not gonna call her name. Now once we just do like this, if I just want to greet you, Mabel Cobard, if I just want to greet you now, Mabel Roland, I'm gonna call your 3 husbands, Mabel Roland, Cobard, and Onyema. If I just want to greet you now like this, I don't want to see how vein in my hand. Once I don't do like the one, I don't know who I talk to. I won't give her a signal now. This thing now, I don't give her an inch. Once I do like this, when I don't already know what they refer to, I don't need to come they call maybe Cobard name or maybe Williams or maybe Roland or maybe Onyema. No, I won't do that. So, guys, please, in case you don't forget, you guys should please tell her to come and explain to us how she got that kind of size. Because me, I've been looking for rubber bowl, I never see that size. Me self, I like extra large. Now, Amazon more than for you. Now be the question. So, guys, please, wanna always see, stay tuned on this page. Because this woman don't overdo. Eliab, Eliza this, Eliza that. You don't overcross your boundary, and I warned you. I warned you. No give up, oh, because we just start. We've not even started. As you dey make another one, we dey follow you with another evidence. Evidence choke. You dey hear? One huna kwero. Gaga no open. Clear road for the woman wey carry brick paint everywhere. One how Chinekele. See, if I see your swagger, see if no be say you fuck up, eh? Our collaboration like this, as you like prick me, man like prick, come on. We face one bowler like this. If we do on top, we go faint the man. Now you for just collabo, handle bowler. Aye. If you see me on top bowler, you go not say you dey play, but your own pass my own. Your own pass my own. Actually, for you, my senior colleague for I dey collect bowler. I never ever collect that size for my entire life. Chai, one yamu.